back to my channel. This is Pashmika. Welcome to Global Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today with you guys, we're gonna be diving into one of the most common questions that I get a lot many times regarding the Creative Fabrica, about getting the sales and about getting the traction on the Creative Fabrica. So I'm gonna be covering this particular thing because I think that I repeatedly keep on getting this particular comment and this particular question that, hey, I uploaded dash amount of designs, I'm still not making any sales, I just make $2, I just made $3. And I'm gonna really want to cover this particular question. If you're looking forward to make some serious amount of sales or making some sales for the Creative Fabrica, this perspective and this reality will really going to help me. It's entirely based on my own experience with the Creative Fabrica. I had my Creative Fabrica shop started back in the late May of 2020. Then I opened up a new shop, and so I'm going to be sharing with some of the ways to actually deal with this particular question or query if you have one. So let's dive in. Before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, so whenever we upload new videos, you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can subscribe to our email newsletter. It's 100% free. Right now, we have put on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will going to send you exclusive content regarding making money online. The link is in the description box below. And also, guys, if you're looking forward to getting started with the Creative Fabrica, if you're entirely new on the platform, then I have made a workbook, that is Creative Fabrica Shop Workbook, entirely based on my own experience and knowledge so far. It's kind of like a planner which will going to guide you each step by step how to get started with the Creative Fabrica, opening up a shop branding, uploading the products, getting the sales analysis report, promotion, and everything. Make sure to check out the Creative Fabrica workbook if you're into getting started with the Creative Fabrica. That workbook will going to help you. The link is in description box below. You can very well check out this workbook. Let's talk about this particular question because I've been getting a lot many times, guys, and I'm like, I really want to make a video on this particular topic. So here I am. I'm just gonna first of all tell some of the related questions to that I get, and then I'm gonna be answering them. The first question I get, I have 150 designs on my Creative Fabrica shop and I uploaded them. Still, I made only $10 from that. I have 20 designs on my shop. I've been on the Creative Fabrica for 3 or 4 months. Still haven't made any sales. I've been on the Creative Fabrica, but I uploaded 60 designs and that were the SVG PNG bundles, and I still didn't make any sales. This kind of like a question I get, and these are all kind of like related to getting the sales from Creative Fabrica and getting started with that. So I hear you guys. So here I am to actually explain you what's happening and how you can get the more sales. The first of all, guys, I really want to tell you, if you are looking forward to make a rich money making scheme or something like that, then Creative Fabrica is not for you. This might seem quite weird or quite strange, but that's the truth. It's not a rich money making scheme. You're not gonna be making thousands of dollars in a month of starting your Creative Fabrica shops. It will really going to take some time. I want to tell you, I have 2,000 plus designs on my shop, and it took me almost 1.5 years to reach to a level to make $100 plus each month from my Creative Fabrica shop. So it does take a lot of the time and effort to get that particular kind of results. It doesn't happen overnight. Okay, if you're looking forward to make a quick buck on Creative Fabrica, uploading the designs and just throwing it off and expecting to get the sales, then don't get started with that, because you will just going to waste your time and energy, and you will not going to get the results because it's not a quick rich money making scheme. So that is the big thing you want to first of all remember that. Another thing, guys, is that when I was getting started with the Creative Fabrica, there was at that time 2 million graphics on the Creative Fabrica. Now they are having 4 million plus graphics on Creative Fabrica. If you're just uploading 50 designs, 60 designs, 100 designs, 200 designs, 500 designs, think of that in millions of graphics and millions of products that are already selling on the Creative Fabrica. Those products will going to go anywhere. Seriously, because you don't have a followers, you don't have a favorites, you don't have a sales history, you don't have a reviews, you are entirely new onto the Creative Fabrica. Guys, how these platform works, they're gonna push all the products that are getting the more sales, more favorites, more followers, more reviews up in the search engine, and all the products that are not getting that much sales and reviews and favorites at the end of the search engine. So this system or this platform works in this way. Okay, guys. So if you are new on the Creative Fabrica, you really have to have patience to get the results. It's kind of like a print on demand. You can't be rich in the print on demand in a 1 or 2 months of starting with a print on demand shop, unless you're going with the paid ads and you are doing heavy promotions, and that might lead you to get there. But if you're starting with a Redbubble shop, in 2 months you won't be rich. you won't be making thousands of dollars unless you do some sneaky tactic or you do some spamming or something like that. If you are just looking forward to make quick bigs, then this channel is not for you guys, because here I'm only talking about the things that you're passionate about, the things that you really want to do. If it's taking you the time, you are here to do the right kind of work to get the right kind of results on the right time. Okay, it will never going to happen overnight. That's truth. So if you are really passionate about some kind of designs, if you are really passionate about being an artist or designer or print on demand seller, whatever your qualification look like or whatever kind of experience you have, if you're passionate about it, then go forward to it and look into creating designs that people actually want and finding a gap in the market. Okay, there are some of the niches on the Creative Fabrica that haven't been served fully, and there is a demand in that. And there are the niches on the Creative Fabrica that are full in demand, and people are uploading a lot of the designs in that, and it's quite competitive. And if you're going with that thing, you really need to sub niche down to find the right kind of niche in which you can get the more sales or get the more eyeballs in the beginning as a newbie. Guys, you have to upload on a consistent basis. Finding a niche that works for you, you have to do it on a consistent basis to get the results. Now, I'm not telling you to upload hundreds of designs in a day. I haven't done that for myself. I haven't done that because it's a lot of the work and I will definitely going to be burned out if I'm doing it. So you don't have to do that. But what consistency means, it's depending on your own schedule. Like, no one can tell you you have to upload 10 designs a day or 10 products a day. No, it depends on your own schedule. If you have a full-time job, if you have a big family, or if you have a kids, your husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, and if you have something other than your business in your life, then obviously you have to give time to that thing as well, because we want every aspect of our life. We just don't want to make money and have a business. We want to have a relationship, happy family, happy life, and we want to feel good about it. Okay, so you need to make your own schedule depending on your own consistency, but have a consistency, guys. Don't just upload 150 products and then wait for 6 months to get the sales. It doesn't happen that way. Okay, we are not here to waiting for something. We are here to actually do the work and believe in it that it will going to get you the sales, and then sitting back and relaxing and enjoying your life. That's what we want to focus on, and it should be on a consistent basis. For example, if you're having a full-time job and you can give only 5 hours or maybe 2 hours in a week or in a weekend or something like that, then make a schedule according to it. Make your own schedule according to it, which suits best according to your needs, and be consistent with that. Don't think that it will going to make you big dollars in just first month or first 2 to 3 months on Creative Fabrica. It's not rich money making scheme. Another thing I want to cover over here, guys, one thing is also that Creative Fabrica is new platform. Like, it's been almost like 5 to 6 years back only. It started back in 2016 or 15, I guess. So it's a new platform. It doesn't have that many monthly visitors in comparison to the Etsy, in comparison to the Redbubble, in comparison to the Zazzle. It doesn't have that much of the monthly visitors. So definitely the more monthly visitors a website have, you're gonna make more money. So, but that doesn't mean that it will not gonna be having in the future. Like, when I was getting started with the May 2020, I was seeing only 2 million graphics at that time. But now in the 2022, in the early stage, I'm seeing 4 million plus graphics. So you see that in this almost 1.5 year or so, there are so many monthly visitors on the Creative Fabrica. People are uploading more products, more people are coming to purchasing it. So it will definitely going to increase with time. More monthly visitors will going to come with time, but you have to do the thing which is needed. So pick up the niche that you are really passionate about, that you really want to pursue, and that you don't really feel burned out even if you're not getting the sales in the short term, because these doesn't work in the short term, guys. You won't be rich in 6 months. I'm telling you, it's not that rich money making scheme. If you are looking forward to that, then don't upload on Creative Fabrica. That's quite straightforward, and simply don't waste your time by uploading on Creative Fabrica if you're looking for making quick bucks, if you're looking for becoming rich in 6 months, because it's not that kind of platform. Really a long time to make $100+ each month on Creative Fabrica. And I have 2,000+ products. I have created a lot of the freebies. I do get a lot of the reviews. I have targeted the niches which were not that competitive. If you're going with the font, then probably go with the font, because it's still not much competition is there. If you're going with the embroidery designs, then probably go with that. There is not that much competition is there. So final key takeaways from this particular video, if you're looking forward to get the sales from Creative Fabrica, I want to tell you, have a consistency. Have an uploading schedule depending on your own threshold, depending on your own life. You don't have to make a schedule that doesn't fit in your routine. If you can upload 5 products a day, fine. If you can upload 10 products a week, fine. But have that consistency and maintain that consistency and have a schedule. The second thing, target the niches that are in the great demand, but not many people are targeting them. And of course, you can bundle up them and make a bundle around your designs. And creating a bundle is a great way to get the more eyeballs, because obviously people purchase more bundle. It's quite obvious. I don't need to explain it over here. The another thing you want to focus is actually promoting your shop on a Pinterest. Share your Creative Fabrica products on a Pinterest. It's a great way. You don't have to go with the paid ads. You can go with the free advertising that Pinterest offers you. It's a kind of like a search engine. Promote as much as you can on the Pinterest. If you can on the Instagram, or if you have a YouTube channel around that, you can promote it. The freebies can be a great option. And check out the reviews, check out the favorites or followers you are gaining. What are the products that are getting you the more favorites? Which are those products? Try to upload more of them. Try to bundle up them into one bundle. Try to do more of it. It will definitely going to take some time, guys. I want to tell you, you will not going to get $100+ in just 2 or 3 months of getting started with the Creative Fabrica. It isn't that really a quick fix. It will going to take some time, because it does take me a lot of the time. I'm not telling that people don't make $200 or $1,000 on Creative Fabrica. I'm not saying that. People do make that. There are many shops that are making that. But in the beginning, the growth was really slow. The beginning was kind of like quite humble and quite slow. But well, you need to upload on a daily basis. Have a passion about what you are creating and what you're going for. Promote it as much as you can. Look forward to your analysis, to your numbers, to the favorites, to the followers, to the reviews. If you have any single sales, check it in the reporting section. Do all those things and then see where you are coming out, where you're bringing up, and do the research on Creative Fabrica. Look for the niche that you are targeting. Many people are uploading, how many reviews they are having, how many like favorites they are having. Do that research and then target that, and let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. This is entirely based on my own experience and knowledge so far. Hopefully this video will going to help you clearing your doubts regarding making money with the Creative Fabrica. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.